To protect myself and the people around me from the spread of COVID, I've been washing my hands a lot. I've been wearing a mask basically all the time, unless I'm delivering to a big group of people. Generally trying to stay away from people I don't know or people that I'm not close to when I'm wearing a mask. All the stuff that the government has been telling us to do. I'm taking these measures on a personal level because I want to keep myself safe, and also I feel like this is now a sort of societal problem. It's not just about keeping the individual safe anymore, so I want the people around me to be as safe as possible. So especially having so many students here, again, is really important. It feels really important to me. Because the rules are just there to keep us safe. They make sense, and I would not feel as comfortable following rules that weren't obviously gonna keep us all safe, and they clearly do. The pandemic has affected me personally in that my life has just been much more weird than it was before. I haven't been able to see my friends and family, and my partner, who I live with, is immunocompromised, so it means that we have to be a little bit more careful. So even when I'm talking to students and stuff about how we're keeping each other safe, I'm not really messing around with it, I suppose. To stay safe off campus, I'm doing a lot of the same things really. It may be being slightly more diligent, especially when I'm in spaces that would be involving strangers that might not understand why we have rules in place as we do here. So I'm doing the same things, washing my hands, staying away from people, wearing my mask more or less everywhere, and yeah, all that stuff. Being back with the students has been weird, but delightful. We've had so much to do over the summer because the deadlines were pushed back, and so it meant that we were marking at the same time as planning, which doesn't normally happen. So we've been really, really busy over the summer. We've sort of been under this mountain of work, and when we finally came back and all the students are back in the studios, it just felt right. It was like, oh right, that's what it's for. So it's just lovely having them back. It's lovely.